everyone, welcome to FunCraft Kidos. If you've already subscribed, welcome back to FunCraft Kidos. And before we get to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bells for more videos like this and share, with your friends and family. Yeah, exactly. We're drawing Togepi. This is the second drawing from Pokemon series, Togepi. A one-of-a-kind creature. One of a kind? It's a joke. Let's begin. Draw 3 spikes, kind of like an M, but not an M. An M, an upside down W, and then upside down V. Next, on this side, add a little kind of line coming in the spike a bit. Don't do that. Yay, I did it. Then make a hand. Let's make the other hand. Then make a U, kinda. U. Might look like an egg, right?
Like a Pokemon in an eggshell.
Next, he's actually stuck in an egg. That's why it's so round.
He's not stuck in an egg.
Okay,
that's just how he looks.
Make kind of cracked lines. They don't have to be the exact same amount. They could be different shapes, different sizes, but they have to be cracked. Okay, next, draw some silly, cute eyes.
Looking up.
Yep, looking up to the skies. Let's make a mouth. Now let's make his mouth. For the mouth, make a smile, but that's not all. Make a big U and then add a tongue inside. And I just made wrinkles or his lines.
His hands, bro.
When you make the U for his mouth, it should start with a smile but not end with a smile. Leave a little gap like me. Next, let's decorate. Make a triangle over here. Then next, make a square, half a square. Next, make a triangle. This time inside the triangle, add another triangle. You might be thinking, why doesn't this triangle have a triangle inside? That's just how it is. That's how his shell pattern is. Make a square with a square inside. Then make one more triangle. What is he missing?
His feet.
Exactly.
And colors and outline.
I just asked for feet. Well, yeah, he is missing all that. So make a leaning U and make a line inside, not touching till the end. Just
Then do the same on the other side.
do the exact same on the other side. It's okay if they aren't equal. Now all that's left to do is color it and trace it. Hey, we did each other's line. I was supposed to say that. Bro, today you're very quiet. Why don't you sing us a song?
I can.
But why would I? That is not really nice. Sing us a song.
1 + 1 = 2. 2 + 2 = 4.
Don't make things up.
Equals 8. 8 + 8 = 16. 16 + 16 = 32. 32 + 32 = 64. 64 + 64 = 128. And the rest, I don't know.
Almost forgot the joke of the day. What is
vampire's favorite celebration?
Thanksgiving. Instead of thanks, fangs. Because vampires have fangs. So yeah.
I don't have to always say get it. If you always say get it, that makes people not interested in the jokes.
Not true.
Yes, true. I read in a joke book.
So we are done. Hope you like our drawings like Miami Bros. So like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And arts and crafts videos and Minecraft videos coming up soon. Done. Bye-bye, everyone. Mine is saying yay.